Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Warm welcome to everyone on the show, this groundbreaking mathematics show that we are going to be hosting now on ITV. Boys and girls, what you need to understand is that mathematics is very, very easy. You just need to understand processes, and mostly it's copy and paste. Now, grade 12s, this show is going to cover grade 11 and 12. Grade 12s, you know that at least 70% of your paper is grade 11 content. So what we're going to be doing is covering the grade 11 and 12 content on the show in order to prepare you for your exams. Boys and girls, let's get started. Now, grade 11 and 12, we know you've got paper 1 and you've got paper 2. What do we need to know in order for you to prepare yourself for paper 1? The first topic you need to know is quadratic equations. Now, this is going to be your checklist. Quadratic equations. Question number 1, paper 1. We all know from grade 10, solve for x. Question number 2, you're going to have exponents. Question number 3, you're going to have simultaneous equations. Question number 4, you're going to have exponential equations. We now go on to functions. And we all know what are functions. We're going to have the straight line, the parabola, the hyperbola with the shift in asymptotes, the exponential graph with the shift in asymptotes, as well as the log function. Now grade 11s, you don't need to know the log functions, that is only for grade 12. We then have finance, sequences and series. Grade 12s, calculus, probability. Boys and girls, that is your checklist to know whether you know paper 1. Let's go on to our checklist for paper 2. Paper 2, we start off with analytics. And this here will give you your 150 marks in your exam. I'm trying to put it in about the same order. And as we go through all the shows, we're going to go through all these topics step by step. Let's now look at analytics. We've got paper 2 analytics. We've then got circle analytics, which is for grade 12 only. You've then got trigonometry. You've got geometry. Let's put geometry. And that we all know is your circle geometry for grade 11 and 12. And you've got your data handling or statistics. Boys and girls, that's now going to give you your second 150 marks for your exam. Now, let's get started. This here is your checklist. As we go through it, obviously there is one more topic in here which will fall under your quadratic equation, which is inequality. So I'm just going to put quadratic equations and inequality. So let's just put the inequalities in there. Now, as we're going to go through all the series through the Ramadan program, we're going to go through each section topic for topic, assuming that you, the viewer, know absolutely nothing. So even if you are a parent sitting at home and you're asking yourself, how can I assist my child? Hopefully you'd be taking out your pen and paper, you'd be taking out your books, and you'd be working with us. This is a good time for you to familiarize yourself, you the parent, to familiarize yourself with what's happening in your schools, in your child's mathematics career. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started with our first topic on quadratic equations. So take out your books, take out your pens, get your scientific calculators ready, and let's get cracking with quadratic equations.